Hello and good day. So I had a young lady that reached out to me. She said it was a lot that was happening to her that she didn't quite understand. Now she told me that she was dealing with demonic spirits. She told me that she had been going through deliverance for quite some time, and she's seen like several prophets and spiritual people, that were helping her, trying to drive these demonic spirits out of her. Now, she told me that some pastors, some of the prophets that she went to, she said that they would just walk away from her. So they would start to pray, and they would feel as if the prayers wasn't doing anything, or the demon was just too strong. So she said they just walked away from her. Now, as she was contacting different people again, it helped, but she kept saying it's still one strong demon in me that I'm having an issue trying to get this thing to go. So I started to speak, of course, as I started speaking with her over Zoom, because she set this deliverance session up over Zoom, I saw that she had a divination spirit, but I also saw that she had a Congo spirit. Now, the divination spirits, they come in when you participate in divination. Now, with her situation, she had a family member that died, and this just had her depressed, and so she started going to get answers. So she went to like a psychic to try to get some answers. So this just opened up a door for something to attach to her. So this is kind of where this began, where it really started getting bad. Now, this spirit that entered her, this Congo spirit. Now, this spirit, again, whenever I see that people have this spirit, then I already know that person has a lot of anger, a lot of aggression, like a lot of violence that's in them. So she was telling me that this spirit would basically just take over her body and would just throw her around. So I hadn't even started praying yet, and I saw that she just started to make different noises. I already saw that this was a possession. So this demon had her possessed and could pretty much make her move at will. He could do anything he wanted to do to her body at will. So some of the things that she was telling me that she was experiencing, she was saying that she would see like a bug crawling under her skin, and she would also say that the bug would like pulsate, so you could see this bug moving under her skin. She also said that it was something that was in her stomach, moving around in her stomach. She would wake up with claw marks all over her body as well, and just experiencing a lot of pain all throughout her body. Now, she said that it was a lot of animal sounds that would come out of her mouth, like uncontrollably, like animal noises. She even told me about a time they was taking her through deliverance, and where she was sitting down at, she said bugs started to like leave from underneath where she was sitting at. So the bugs was somehow were coming out of her. So again, this was something that was supernatural. She'll be waking up with bruises all over her arms and her legs. She couldn't dream at all. So this is something that the demons will do. They will block you from dreaming. She did say when she would dream, it would be nightmares. So one of the nightmares that she saw was this demon that was standing in front of her, and she said this demon was leaning over her, and it was moving like a snake, and it had like a snake tongue, like a split tongue. So this is what this demon was doing. She also said that something that she has developed, and she's noticed, she has like no feelings for her husband. She doesn't want to have sex with him or anything. This is something that these demons will cause too. You have a lot of spiritual spouses that would do this, but any other demon would do this as well. So of course that's causing issues. She's just saying that she just has no urge to to be around him or to touch him or anything like that. So I started praying. So as soon as I started praying, of course, this demon started letting out, or these voices was coming out of her, and it sounded just like an animal. And yeah, it just took over her body. She started to kind of vomit and spit things up. Her body just started moving like very violently. So she was like swaying and moving. You could just tell that this demon just had her all over the place. But again, this Congo spirit comes from the Congo. It's a very wild spirit. So it's almost like it's just tossing her all over the place, and she has no control. I continued to pray, and the demon was shaking his head, saying no. But again, she was vomiting and spitting different things was coming out. And Yeshua will free her, and she will be delivered. Have a great day.